Aloe Vera, the ultimate health and wellness hack. Hey guys, welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. I'm RK Mupper, and today we're diving deep into the amazing world of aloe vera. You know it, you love it, that spiky green succulent sitting on your windowsill. But did you know that aloe vera is more than just a houseplant? This is like a Swiss Army knife of natural remedies, from soothing burns to boosting your immune system. Aloe vera is a true gift from nature. Let's get right into it. All right, let's start with the one we all know and love, aloe vera for burns. We've all been there, a little too much sun or a cooking mishap, and bam, painful red skin. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing redness, swelling, and pain. It also speeds up the healing process. Just apply pure aloe vera gel to the affected area and feel the soothing relief. Your skin will thank you. Now, let's move on to another amazing benefit of aloe vera, its incredible moisturizing properties. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, attracting and locking in moisture. It's lightweight and non-greasy, so it won't clog your pores. Apply a thin layer to your face and body after showering for the softest, smoothest skin of your life. Did you know that aloe vera is also amazing for your gut? It soothes and calms the digestive tract, making it great for indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Just make sure to chat with your doctor before adding aloe vera to your routine. Let's talk about immunity. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen your body's natural defenses. By incorporating aloe vera into your diet, you can help your body fight off infections and stay healthy all year round. Now let's switch gears and talk about those pearly whites. Aloe vera is a fantastic natural remedy for oral health issues. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent plaque buildup, gingivitis, and bad breath. You can find aloe vera-based toothpaste and mouthwash at most health food stores. Last but not least, let's talk about hair. Aloe vera can soothe and hydrate the scalp, promote hair growth, and reduce dandruff. It's suitable for all hair types, even sensitive scalps. Whether you have long tresses or a chic pixie cut, aloe vera can help you achieve your best hair yet. Wow, that was a lot of information about aloe vera. This plant is truly incredible. Now that you know all about the amazing benefits of aloe vera, give it a try and experience the magic for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.